Thus, operant conditioning, also known as instrumental conditioning, is a method of learning normally attributed to B.F. Skinner, where the consequences of a response determine the probability of it being repeated. Through operant conditioning, behavior which is reinforced, that is reward, will likely be repeated, and behavior which is punished will occur less frequently. Again, through operant conditioning, behavior which is reinforced or rewarded will likely be repeated, and behavior which is punished will occur less frequently. Thus, frequently. Skinner studied operant conditioning by conducting experiments using animals which he placed in a Skinner box which was similar to Thorndike puzzle box. Now, Skinner in 1948 studied operant conditioning by conducting experiments using animals which he placed in a Skinner box similar to Thorndike puzzle box. Skinner box, known as an operant conditioning chamber, is a device used to exactly record an animal's behavior in a compressed time frame. An animal can be rewarded or punished for engaging in certain behaviors such as liver pressing for rats or key picking for pigeons. Positive reinforcement. Positive reinforcement is a term described by B.F. Skinner in his theory of operant conditioning. In positive reinforcement, a response of behavior is strengthened by rewards, leading to the repetition of desired behavior. The reward is reinforcing stimulus. Skinner showed how positive reinforcement worked by placing a hungry rat in his Skinner box. Box contained a lever on the side, and as the rat moved about the box, it would accidentally knock the lever. Immediately it did so, a food pellet would drop into a container next to the lever. Immediately it did so, a food pellet would drop into a container next to the lever. Negative reinforcement is the termination of an unpleasant state following a response. This is known as negative reinforcement because it is the removal of an adverse stimuli which is rewarding to the animal experience. For example, if you don't complete your homework, you give your teacher ₹5, you will come ₹5. So this is the punishment. You will complete your homework to avoid paying ₹5, thus strengthening the behavior of completing your homework. Now, what type of psychologist was B.F. Skinner? The operant conditioner. Functional, behavioral, also behavioral. Next, learning through reward and punishment is operant conditioning. To D. Learning through reward and punishment is বলেছে যে দেখেন आंसर দিয়েছে to D. Learning through reward and punishment is not is observed learning, observational learning, operant conditioning, classical non দিয়েছে. Learning is a process of progressive behavior adaptation. The statement was given by educationist Skinner. 3A. 4. According to B.F. Skinner, development of language in children is the result of imitation and reinforcement. 4A. 5. Who is popularized teaching machines in the classroom? 5D. B.F. Skinner. Optimum use of the principle of successive approximation. Optimum use of the principle of successive approximation has been empirically demonstrated through which model of instruction? 6. A program instructional model. So this is all for today.